So here's how to write vertical text in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the text or the cell that the text contains. Then you need to go to the Home tab. From the alignment segment, you'll probably see this orientation option. Right beside it, you will see another arrow option, so you need to select this one like this. And then from here, firstly, you need to select the vertical text. So now if we go through it, as you can see, the text is look like this, but we don't want to look like this. So how we can change the alignment once again? So once again, you need to select the text like this and again go with the orientation option. Then right beside it, you will probably see the rotate text up. So you need to select that one. And now as you can see, we got the vertical text right in front of you. So that's how you can write vertical text in Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.